Hey Covesters, welcome back to the Crypto Intelligence Portal. I'm Nathan.
And I'm Liz. Today we're going to be talking about how cryptocurrencies are traded.
Cryptocurrencies are traded digitally on exchange platforms like Coinbase, Bittrex, and Binance. They're also traded here on Covesting.
Cryptocurrencies are typically traded against Bitcoin or Ethereum. The USD rate of cryptocurrency is calculated using its current Bitcoin exchange rate and the current value of Bitcoin itself. Cryptocurrencies are generally traded for normal currency like USD when buying or selling.
And many exchanges have different user interfaces, but you'll often find that each has their own list of certain coins on their exchange. For example, Bittrex may not have a coin that Binance offers. This is one of the reasons it's necessary to have accounts with multiple exchanges. There may be a time when you want to invest in a coin that is only offered on a specific exchange. Verification on such exchanges may take some time. This could cause you to miss out on a very good buying opportunity. It is recommended that you register yourself on several exchanges. That way you can buy any coin without waiting several days. It might not seem long, but it's a 24-hour market, like an IHOP versus a liquor store. Get it? Because liquor stores are closed Sundays, like the stock exchange? No?
Liquidity is an important aspect of any exchange. Simply put, it's a representation of how much and what types of crypto being traded. It's also important to pay attention to the fees attached to each trade. Oh, also, you should not store coins on exchanges for long periods of time unless you are trading every day. However, it's really important to store your tokens in personal wallets and keep them secure. I would personally recommend looking into cold wallets.
Trezor, Keep, Ledger Nano S. Yeah, just some examples. When choosing an exchange, it's also important to check the legality and the support they have for your country. For example, in 2017, Bitfinex ended all support and withdrawal options for US customers. They announced and notified account holders for months. It's important to stay on top of regulatory changes in the crypto world.
Another important rule to go by regarding exchanges is that you should never participate in an ICO directly from a wallet you have on an exchange. If you attempt to send ETH to an ICO from Bittrex or Coinbase, the tokens you should be receiving back will go to an address that doesn't exist. This is neither the responsibility of the exchange or the ICO to solve, and you will have lost your investment.
So for security purposes, you should always keep separate passwords for different exchanges and wallets. There are many phishing scams out there and malware designed to steal crypto information.
When it comes to trading cryptocurrencies, there are two different mindsets at play: the speculators and the investors. Speculators are looking for quick gains and do not focus much on fundamentals. The speculator is only looking for profitable trades to move in and out of. They are constantly analyzing charts, price patterns, and looking for opportunities based on a more mathematical approach. The other mindset is the investor mindset. The investor has more of a long-term goal in mind and spends more time researching to ensure solid investment picks for their portfolio.
And it's also possible and profitable to utilize a mix of the two. One may be inclined to build a diversified portfolio of cryptocurrencies with 80% of their overall investment and use the other 20% for active trading. This would allow them to keep a solid portfolio for growth in the background without having to monitor it or risk too much of their money. Alright everyone, we'll see you back here for the next episode at the Crypto Intelligence Portal.
Thanks for watching.